So, hello guys, this is Utkarsh, and today I've got the Razer Death Heather 2013 version. This mouse has got the 6400 DPI 4G optical sensor and improved ergonomic side grips and Razer Synapse 2 gaming software from Razer. The side of the box tells you about the 6400 DPI 4G optical sensor, then the design of the mouse with side grips, rubber side grips, and the Razer Synapse software, which can store your settings, and you can get them back from the internet. So it's a very good feature from Razer. Then this has got 7-foot lightweight braided fiber cable powered by Razer technology. Razer Synapse 2.0 enabled the gaming software. It has got a very good hand grip and design of the mouse is very good. 5 programmable buttons and improved side grips. Then it tells you about the other features of this mouse: gold USB connector and other things. And some also there are some more things here. And here are some comments from the gaming teams who Razer sponsors. So, and if I open this, it will tell you about the mouse and what's good in this mouse, and you can keep your hand and just test the grip that you get from the mouse before buying it. So it is. So here's the mouse, and here you get the manual. Razer manual signed by co-founder of Razer, and tells you a welcome message from the Razer company. And here's the manual. Here's exclusive rewards from Razer Faithful. I don't know what this is. Maybe some competition from Razer which you can enroll into. Then Razer Death Header tells you about the Synapse, the gaming software. Then the mouse diagram, how to connect it to the computer or laptop. It is published in many languages. Some safety guidelines, comfort, how you can get a good comfort from this mouse while holding it. So I will now show you the mouse. So here's the mouse. As you can see that they have improved the mouse from the previous version. They have given the rubber grips, which was previously some plastic type material made of silicone, and it has got a 6400 DPI sensor, 4G infrared sensor. This is the Death Adder 2013 edition, and the cord is braided here also, like other gaming mouses. Here is the Razer branding and the gold plated USB connector. The length of the wire is 2 meters long. Now I'm going to connect this to my laptop. So the mouse is powered on. The mouse has only green color, and the scroll wheel also has green color, and it breathes, and it is in breathing mode right now. And you can see the shape of the mouse is very good. uh, you can either use claw grip or full hand rest type grip. Side buttons are also easily accessible, and the movement of the mouse pointer is quite smooth with this mouse. And the cord is long enough, the 2 meter long cord, so you can easily connect to your PC, and for laptops it's very fine. Also you get two Razer stickers with this mouse, so I pasted one here and one on the back side of my laptop. So I will now open the software of the Razer Synapse. So you have to select your mouse, Razer mouse. So here's the software. You can set profiles and customize the buttons. They are all customizable. You don't have a DPI button changer. You don't have a DPI changing button, but you can change the DPI from the software. And here are the lighting mode, and you can calibrate macro settings and statistics of the mouse, how much you have clicked in other games like Titanfall, Battlefield, and heat maps. So it's a very good software from Razer. So this is how it looks like in completely dark room. I have used my mouse pad which has some LED lighting, but this mouse looks so cool on this mouse pad. You can see the Razer branding. This LED is in breathing mode and it looks very nice, and there's a scroll wheel. And this is how it looks like with the Razer keyboard. Sorry, I don't have it, so I have got it from the internet, this picture. So here are all the contents you to get with the mouse. You also get two stickers that I showed you in the video, and here's a comparison with the previous edition Razer Death Header and the new 2000 edition. Then here's images of the mouse. You can see that now here's the top view of the mouse. This is a view when you keep your hand. It gives a very good grip to your hand. And here is the scroll wheel and the left side of the mouse, and you get rubber pads. There is a 6400 DPI 4G sensor. Then here's the comparison with the CM Storm Mizar, but I think that CM Storm Mizar is actually more comfortable to hold and it offers more features. Then here are comparison with the Shield Series Ikari, the CM Storm Mizar, and Shield Series Sensei mouse. And the top right and the rightmost mouse is Razer Death Header. They all look nice except from Ikari, the leftmost mouse. Then all of these four has got gold plated connectors. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.